Welcome back to our business management series. In this video, we are focusing on an increasingly important part of operations management, corporate social responsibility, or CSR. CSR is all about going beyond the legal obligations. It's when a business makes decisions that consider the broader social, environmental, and ethical impact of its actions. In the context of operations, CSR means producing goods and services in ways that are not only efficient but also responsible to workers, the community, and the planet. Let's start with inputs. These are the raw materials and resources a business uses to make its product or deliver its service. A business that applies CSR to its inputs might choose ethically sourced materials, like fair trade coffee, organic produce, or sustainably harvested timber. It might also invest in energy-efficient machinery, use recycled materials, or commit to sourcing inputs locally to reduce carbon emissions from transportation. This not only reduces environmental harm but can also support local economies and strengthen community ties. Next, CSR in processes. This refers to how production actually happens. A socially responsible business will assess its operations and ask, are we treating workers fairly? Are we ensuring safe and inclusive working conditions? Are we minimizing our use of water, electricity, and other resources? For instance, a manufacturing company could install water recycling systems, transition to LED lighting, use digital tools to cut paper waste, and provide regular safety and well-being training for employees. Some businesses even go further, implementing diversity and inclusion programs or offering paid volunteer days for staff to contribute to community causes. The goal is to make the production process not only productive, but also safe, sustainable, and supportive of social well-being. Then we get to outputs, the final good or service delivered to the customer. CSR here could mean ensuring products are safe to use, that packaging is recyclable or biodegradable, and that marketing is truthful and ethical. A cosmetics company might avoid animal testing and clearly label all ingredients. A food manufacturer might reduce sugar content, avoid artificial additives, and use compostable packaging. Even service-based businesses can apply CSR, like a tech firm offering free digital literacy workshops to the local community. A great Australian example is Thankyou, the social enterprise that donates 100% of profits to fund clean water, sanitation, and food programs in developing countries. Their operations are deeply committed to ethical sourcing, transparency, and social impact. They've become a trusted brand by proving that operations can be used not just to generate profit, but to drive global change. So why does this matter? CSR in operations can significantly improve a business's reputation, help attract and retain loyal customers and high-quality staff, and lead to long-term profitability. While it might cost more upfront to use ethical suppliers or invest in sustainable technology, it often pays off by building customer trust, increasing employee satisfaction, and avoiding scandals or fines associated with unethical practices. And let's not forget, CSR is increasingly expected. Consumers are informed and often look for brands that align with their values. Governments are introducing stricter regulations around environmental sustainability and labor rights. In this context, being known as a responsible business is more than a nice-to-have, it's a competitive advantage. So, to recap, CSR in operations means considering the impact of the inputs you choose, the processes you carry out, and the outputs you deliver. It's about being productive, yes, but also being principled, ethical, and sustainable in the way you run your business. Check out the description for study notes and practice questions to deepen your understanding. And as always, thanks for watching.